Next, I'd like to talk about sound quality. Let's take a tuning fork that has a frequency of 256 cycles per second and review what that looks like. And then take one with a frequency of 512 cycles per second, which is twice the frequency of 256. See what that looks like. And then let's look at both of them at the same time. So the quality of sound depends on how many frequencies are superposed at the same time. Another way I can demonstrate quality is to strike this tuning fork a little bit differently. When I strike it on my knee and I hit it about at this point on the tuning fork, I get a nice pure sound out of it, such as we might have with if this were represented the prong of a tuning fork. This 2-meter stick vibrates back and forth, something like that. But this tuning fork prong, like the 2-meter stick, is capable of oscillating with higher frequencies at the same time it oscillates with a fundamental frequency. So it can oscillate this way and at the same time oscillate this way. So let's set a single tuning fork up so now that it oscillates with more than one frequency at the same time. We see that high frequency overtone quickly die down, but nevertheless you could tell the quality is different when there are higher harmonics mixed in with a fundamental frequency. Here's 512 in its pure mode. And with some higher harmonics mixed in. Sound quality.